G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Another quick video here from Rimini, the Siege show, biggest ice cream show on the planet, well worth coming to. Now, one of the trends in gelato here is very fresh made. It's always been very fresh made. But there is very much a trend in actually making and serving products straight from the batch freezer, especially modified batch freezer, straight in front of your customer's eyes. You can basically pour the liquid mix in, you can flavor it, you can actually variegate it, put the products in afterwards, and serve it right in front of the customer in the same cylinder. So we're here at the Frigomat booth having a quick look at their pretty impressive display. Well folks, when it comes to making gelato and making anything so far as ice cream is concerned, the key is rotation. You've got to be able to rotate that fresh product out. Anything that kind of stays in a batch freezer or a display case any longer than, depending on the formulation of the product, but a day, 2 days, 3 days, tends to get very granular and chewy and sandy. Well, this particular theme of product, or fresh made gelato products being made in front of the customer and actually churned in the batch freezer and served from the batch freezer, is really gaining some traction. Now, Frigomat came up with this technology 10, 12 years ago, and basically there are a lot of other companies that have picked up that basic concept and run with it, Frigomat being the original. And here, amazingly, they have 100 of these things lined up, 100 batch freezers, all running, and basically each of these units have 4 cylinders in them, 4 freezing cylinders. Each has their own compressor, each has their own motor, and they're basically just churning away. When the thermostat determines that the product's ready to serve, the dasher shuts off, and again, when it starts to get a little soft, the dasher turns back on. 10 to 11 minutes to make a batch, and you're basically formulating recipes right in front of the customer, which is outstanding. So quite the exposition, quite the demonstration or presentation here from Frigomat that really understand this process of, you know, the visuality of ice cream in this market.